Hi, welcome to Happy Options Trading channel. Today let's look into one more option trading secret. I have opened NSE India website. In this, let's go into option chain. Okay, I hope everyone knows about the basics of option chain. So I have opened Nifty 50 option chain. Okay, this is Nifty, and I've selected weekly option expiry date is 31st August, and this is a weekly option chain. Okay, so left hand side is called as so you can see above heading calls option chain, and these are the put options. Right hand side is the put options. Okay, so in the left hand side, the yellow highlighted ones are um, in the money call options, and the while yellow highlighted in the put side are called as in the money for put side. Okay, so white color ones are actually out of the money. Likewise, it's same as the call and output options. So white side, these everything's are called as out of the money call options, and above side here these are the white right hand side white color ones are um, out of the money put options. Okay, so there is one more which is called as at the money put options, right? So at the money put options here is 19300 is the at the money call options, and 19250 it is at the money put options. Okay, um, and when we are reading this option chain, basically which is important is open interest, OI, the first column which is called as OI, right? So that is very very important. And next very important thing is if you are trading in intraday, so change in OI, the next second column in the call side, right? That is also very important along with the volume. I mean, in fact everything is important, but when you're reading when you're doing your option chain analysis, right? So then OI and change in open interest is very important. Likewise, input side also you can see the last one which is um, OI, right? So that is very important. And how you when you are reading this, so what do you think? Most of the people, what they do, they think that for 19300, if you look at the open interest, it is around 2,03,396. You think that people are buying that much of call options, right? And when it comes to put side, you see how much 1,24,165 for 19,200 strike price, right? There is the highest put option, open interest is lying there. But the basic assumption here is you need to look it from the option seller point of view, okay, not from the options buyer point of view. When you are reading this chart, when you are doing your analysis, should always rate it like this. For example, on an expiry day, if you are trading and if you are wanted to do your option chain analysis, you come here and see for 19500 the highest open interest lies in it's in 19500, right? In call options it is around 2,44,931. So that means option seller have created uh, more number of positions in 19500. That means there is a resistance lying in 19500. We assume that option seller doesn't want the market to go above this, so that means there is a huge resistance lying there. Okay, apart from this, change in open interest is also very important. Okay, so if you are an intraday player, you need to also check the change in open interest and trade accordingly. um, Option sellers might change their positions frequently, right? If the market is going against that direction, they might change their positions. Okay, and also sometimes if the what's that price of the particular strike of the options as almost nearing zero, that means they have already made their profit and they'll exit from that strike price, and they will make a positions in some other strike price wherever they wherever they wanted to sell their options. Okay, so we know that option sellers are the big money is lying with the FII and DIS, right? So they are the main people who will do the bigger positions. Yeah, there are many um, retail option sellers as well, but that is not good enough to create such a big open interest. um, right, so that is one thing. And one more important thing what I wanted to tell you here is that you see the total of the open interest. Okay, call total open interest is how much it is: 26 lakh 23,339. And put side open interest is 17,000 17 lakh 19,743. So what does that mean? That means call side open interest is bigger than put side. So call side open interest is bigger, means that means more number of call options were sold. If the call options are sold, that means market will go downside, right? That is what the assumption, or that is what the prediction of the option sellers. And they might be right, right? They would have the more information with them, and based on their analysis um, they would have done their positions, right? So that's how you need to see it. Thank you so much. That's it for now, and I will come up with some other topics in the next videos. Thank you. Bye.